So, based on the title of the video, you know that I blew up my dirt bike. I bought a 2021 KTM 150 SX, and I put 0.9 hours on the bike, and it blew up. The piston started slapping, and it made a terrible knocking sound. Here's an iPhone video of it. And I know this video is all over the place, so just bear with me. I ran into a few issues here and there from rebuilding this bike, and now it's all back together. I'm gonna wait until everything's done and finished, and then I'll show you the bike. I'm really excited how it turned out, and I hope you enjoy the video. So, it's been about 4 days since I blew up the bike. I got all the parts. I got new handlebars, new grips, new clutch rings, new clutch springs, new piston, oil, coolant, everything else I need. I'm gonna try and put this together and get it running and tuned by the end of the night. I have no idea how it's gonna go, because this is honestly my first dirt bike build in, I don't know, 10 years. We got cameraman here. Neck brace is officially gone, and we're gonna get this up and running and hope it goes smooth. Labeled all the parts since I took them off. Hopefully I remember how to install it properly, because honestly I got no clue. Right now I'm gonna take out the piston, oil everything up, it's just a smooth install, clean the remaining dirty parts, and then install it back on. I got multiple head gaskets. I chose to put on the 0.05 mil, and make sure when you're putting in the wrist pin clips, you're blocking off this, because you don't want to learn the hard way and have to tear up your entire engine and split the case, because it'd be a lot more expensive. Put stuff in there, because in this clip you'll see how I dropped the piston ring, piston knuckle ring right in there, and that went all the way down to there. So in other news, Matt Carr had a great fucking vacation in Grand Bend and somehow decided to get this fucking tattoo. And it's on YouTube channel.
Oh no.
What were you thinking?
Sorry, Mom. That's all I gotta say. I was
can't wait to tell her at work. I'd like to take a break in today's video just to announce that Southern Euro Apparel is officially live. My website is officially live for Southern Euro products, and I'm so excited to announce this. We have tees, long sleeves, hats, toques, trucker hats, sweaters, everything in between, and we have a new product every single day. Now, I am new with this and just learning, and designs are new every single day. I make a new design every single day and I post it. Everything is reasonably priced and the best possible quality from the supplier. 15% of every order will go towards charity. This year I'm trying to raise money for blankets and sweatshirts and coats for the homeless people, because it is getting cold. 15% of the proceeds will be going to blankets, jackets, coats, and sweaters for the homeless people in downtown Windsor, Essex County. And yeah, so here are a few designs you can see up close. If you like these, go to southerneuroapparel.ca. Every order is appreciated. So I guess this turned into a vlog of some sort. Currently we're going to take this car out and go for a little cruise and see what shit we can fuck up.
Oh, I forgot his... Doesn't the white fuck with the camera?
No.
No. Oh.
What is your 3 300 sound like that?
My 200 sounds better than this piece
Oh,
of
can you
shit.
hear it? I can't even see it, dude.
Cop car right there.
Ass.
What are the odds I get in the driver's seat? Just drive.
Do it right now, please. That'd be so fun. I'll film.
Dude, you came so quick.
I'm like, that's not how my car sounds like idling.
Did you even finish pissing?
Oh yeah, I just finished. And I'm like, there's no way.
Fucking sneak.
Oh shit! Oh damn! I wasn't recording. We gotta do that again.
I was gonna hop in even if you were driving. I would have turned this.
I thought you were about to jump on the roof, bro.
Camera
Yo,
came out of the
Dom.
socket.
I'm in the back seat. You better be nice to me. I'll slap your neck, broken neck, boy.
No sticker, bro. No fucking sticker, bro.
My bad, dude. I'm going to put it on.
What do you gotta say? Don't touch my ass, bro.
You like it, don't lie. Where's the neck brace? I fucking,
That's pretty gay. The butt shit.
Yeah, you gotta get a real fucking sticker, bro.
God damn, man. Yeah, one wheel peel. One wheel.
You don't like the tattoo?
Fuck no.
You know what it is?
Yes.
What is it?
The Mr. Beast logo. Wait, no, that's the Hellcat logo. Wait. Wait, no, I'm slow. Wait, Dominic, where the fuck are you? Oh, my bad.
It is currently 9:08 p.m. I got everything back on, all set. Exhaust is not sitting how I would like it. I dropped a C-clip for the wrist pin into the bottom case for the coolant passages, and luckily I got that out. Yeah, the bike started up, I think 6th, 7th kick. So I am super happy on how it turned out. I got a few different things to put on the bike. I got new grips, handlebars, new top end, new spark plugs, new chain. Tires are already brand new, and this bike is just in such high quality for what I purchased it for. And it actually blew up with 47.1 hours on it. I've since put 0.3 hours on it, just heat cycling it and get the top end ready. And I just changed the spark plug again. Like I said, I just changed the spark plug. And I forgot to plug it back in. Dummy zone on my part. Now this is the first two-stroke I've had in, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, and I'm still trying to get used to figuring it out because this is my first time doing work on my two-stroke dirt bike. My last two-stroke, I didn't have it long enough to do any work on it. I looped it, decided to quit, and I decided I was missing dirt biking. So I just picked up this one. Super happy. First KTM. This is my first KTM and I love it. Idling is a little bit iffy right now. If you know anything about these bikes and you think I did anything wrong or anything that I can improve on, yeah, please let me know. Because it does this. Dies randomly. I've adjusted the idler screw, I've adjusted the air screw, and I've messed with it for I don't know how long, hours, and can't get it right. So, if you know anything, let me know. If you also have stuff you want to see filmed and posted, or you want to see videos of us doing whatever, let us know in the comments, because we'd love to have ideas and love to do anything really. Where we're from, most of the only things we can do is ride around, drive around our cars, and try and avoid the police. But if you guys have any ideas for future videos, let us know in the comments. It's very appreciated. And thank you guys for all the support. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Our goal is to hit 100 subscribers by the end of 2025. Start of 2026.
Say like and subscribe.
Oh no.
What are you thinking?
Sorry, Mom.